25 CM 184, State of Wisconsin versus Christopher Morone. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. Mr. Morone appears by telephone conference with approval of the court. We're set today for an initial appearance. Mr. Morone, is your address still in Fridley?
Yes.
And your
apartment number 2?
I think, yes, I think my assistant updated that today. Did she not?
Yes, she did. Yeah, I called her and yeah, to kind of get this phone conference scheduled, and yeah, we got her all updated.
All right. And so were you able to get that criminal complaint? Do you have that?
Yes, I got everything last week. So the address you guys did have on file, it gets forwarded to a buddy in Balsam Lake, who kind of where I was when I moved from that address you guys had. I was kind of sent to all my mail there before I got a new place to live, and now I got the place to live. So I just had received it.
Off the record, just off the record, because we don't need this anyway. Go ahead. Sorry.
Yes. And after it can be forwarded, like I just recently got all of it, and he gave it to me this past weekend. So it's all kind of pretty fresh to me. I was kind of uninspected to receive it, so I haven't had any time to, you know, kind of go over it and weigh my options or anything. But
and that's what we'll do right now. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So
Wonderful.
Back on the record. So you received that criminal complaint, and you can read, write, and you understand the English language. Is that correct?
Correct.
And so you read it, and you're trying to figure out what your options are right now. Correct?
That is correct.
And do you need me to read that out loud to you, or do you fully understand what's being alleged?
I fully understand it all.
All right. Okay. So right now the court is going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. And I need to let you know you're entitled to a jury trial. You would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. Before we go down the road further, at least right now, since you don't have an attorney and so you can better weigh your options, Mr. Vila, is there an offer that could be presented?
Yes, Your Honor. The offer would be to amend to a citation for 330.50.
Oh, all right. So your options could be good, Mr. Morone. The state is saying that they're asking the court to amend it to a ticket, an ordinance violation, like if you got a traffic ticket instead of a crime.
Okay.
So do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
And do you wish to accept that?
I will accept it.
All right, formal motion to amend.
So moved. Granted.
Do you wish to enter guilty or not guilty, or a guilty or a no contest plea?
No contest.
Court will enter a no contest plea. I'm assessing $330.50. When do you have the ability to pay that?
Well, from what I was hearing from the last ones, I can pay $170 today. No, I'm just kidding. I can pay.
Well,
that
if you can call in today and pay the $150 today to the clerk, I'll accept that.
Sure can.
But if you don't pay it by the end of the day, then I'm going to tell you
What's
I
the
will
end of the
issue
day?
a
'Cause
warrant.
I can do it at 3:30 p.m.
That works for me.
I'm at work right now. I don't get off till 3:30. I'm literally stepping outside right now doing all this.
Oh, I'm sorry. I would have taken you first.
All right.
Okay. So Mr. Morone, this is what I'm going to do. $150 to be paid by, I'll say by 4 today. You pay it by 4, then you won't have to pay the rest. But if I don't get that $150, I'll issue a warrant. You understand?
Copy that.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Thank you.
Thank you
Then
so
we are
much.
adjourned. Thank you. Sorry about that. Yeah, I kind of zoned out a little bit with how he was saying it, and I wasn't thinking about you and how you were typing. Because I was trying to pay attention to what he was saying.
In all fairness, it looked like you were keeping up for a good bit there, so I applaud you.
She keeps up very well, and I zone out with like her. Like I can understand it. I'm trying to hear it, but I forget. Like you have to actually do it. So it's good to let me know. All right. Mr. Felisky, I have Ms. Rosado and Mr. Olden. Apparently, Mr. Olden was cut off.
He was, Your Honor. I was just reviewing the complaint with him, but I can quickly go over. I will be happy to meet with you and discuss this all in detail, of course. Mr. Olden, now that I've been appointed, I will update the court as well that he would like me appointed to the other case, the 25 CM 182. I'll talk to him. Yep, I'll talk to my office about that, but I think we can proceed. Mr. Alden, the other charges in this matter are, I'm just going to very, very briefly go over that with you. Count one is resisting an officer on Tuesday, October 7th, that you were resisting an officer, that's the allegation, while they were doing an act in official capacity. Okay, certainly, Your Honor.
If he wants another day, I can go over it briefly with him and then, or if you want to move on, or we can reset it to another date, but let's just try and get through it.
I'm just trying to get the ball rolling, Your Honor.
Thank you. I appreciate that, Mr. Felisky. We'll go on the record in the matter 25 CM 182 and 25 CM 215, State of Wisconsin versus Brian Olden. We have Mr. Olden appearing by video in custody in Burnett County Jail. We have Joel Felisky, who is now going to be appointed to both matters. We're set for initial appearances. In 25 CM 182, that's a possession of drug paraphernalia, and he understands that charge and the maximum penalty.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any waives formal reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
Not guilty plea will be entered on his behalf. In 25 CM 215, Mr. Olden, you do have 3 charges there, and there's one count of possession of drug paraphernalia. And so you understand that count in the maximum penalty as it's the same? Okay.
Yes.
And possession of cocaine, it alleges that you possess cocaine and it's an illegally controlled substance and you knew it was. And if convicted, you could be fined up to $5,000 or imprisoned up to 1 year in the county jail or both. You understand that count?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And count 1 is resisting an officer. It's alleging on October 7th, 2025, you knowingly resisted an officer when you knew that officer was doing an act in an official capacity and with lawful authority during that time of the arrest. Do you understand that count and that maximum penalty?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Formal reading or waive?
Waive.
Not guilty pleas will be entered on your behalf, Mr. Olden. You are entitled to a jury trial. You would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. Are you currently on a hold?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Because I believe you're still on ES?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
All right. And
Sure.
Did they give you any indication of when that hold is going to be released or looking at being released or what's going to happen?
Your Honor, I believe that I was hoping for treatment of some sort, but I think I'm gonna get revocated on this.
You think so?
I believe so.
Well, keep your attorney informed about what's going on. And Mr. Vila, I know that you're hitting you right now, but just seeing, would you have an offer for this case?
It would have to be a global, and the offer would probably,
You can take your time.
yeah.
You
No,
can say
I need to look
100%.
back into this, speak with the DOC to see what the recommendation are for Mr. Alden moving forward.
No, and I totally understand that. I was just seeing if based upon charges and the facts. You can always tell me you need time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Felisky, are you coming back on the 29th next week?
Leave.
Yes, you are.
Yes, I am. I
At
am.
1:30.
Yep.
I know this is a short turnaround, but maybe at least you can look at the case, see if there could be an offer, because regardless if he's being revoked or not, he would be revoked to prison. Under, I think it was OWI 10, or was it 6?
I believe it was 7, Your Honor, but
7.
I'm not for sure. I'm not for sure on that.
Yeah, I can't recall the exact number either. But regardless, he'll probably be on a hold for a little bit. And or if he's being revoked, like Mr. Alden is thinking it could be a possibility. This case is a drop in the bucket. So could we have a status next week on Wednesday?
That shouldn't be an issue, Your Honor.
All right, 1:30 on October 29th. All right, we will see you then. Thank you. We
Thank-
are adjourned.
Thank you, well appreciated.
Ms. Rosado, we will go on the record in the matter 24 CM 53, State of Wisconsin versus Samantha Rosado. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose